Hello. I asked my students to sign their works, like create signature in Adobe Illustrator, intertwine the words together, and then copy and paste it on their artwork. We go up and selection tool, copy, for edit, copy, and I go to Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and I'm going to paste it here. Edit, paste. And then you can resize it. Now we are going to learn how to intertwine words in Adobe Illustrator together. I am in Illustrator. Go to Artboard 2, click on that and create an artboard. You know that if you click on this artboard, you can change the size and create your artboard. With Ctrl plus, I zoom in and you can click H or hand tool to move it. Now go to type. I type the first two letters of my name, RO, and you can go to selection tool, resize it, you can change the font here. It's like Microsoft Word. And now I need to create paths. So I go to Object, first create outline, go to type. After selecting that, go to type, create outline. Create outline. After that, they are grouped. We need to ungroup them. Go to object and ungroup them. When we ungroup, they are separate words. I can change the color if I want. So I go to window and check more color. So I have my color panel here. For R, I'm going to select, for example, red and select the second letter and green. Now I want to intertwine the words together. First, I need to resize one of them. This is your design. I want to see your creativity in your exam. With the arrow key, after selection, you can move it. I go to direct selection tool. In here, any part that you click, you can either use arrow key to move it up, or you can select the part and design. I pause the video, you do your work, and then continue watching. Now I'm going to intertwine them together. First, I decrease the opacity of both, so I am on selection tool and decrease the opacity. And now decide, I want OB on top here and then go on the bottom here and like that. So I select O and arrange, right click, arrange, bring to front. So let me set up the opacity to 50 more time. And then select all, right click, arrange, bring to front, and then go to object, path, offset path. Make sure check mark here so you can see the preview, and you decide about your offset whatever you want. I make it here that 17. Sorry. And now select both letters together. Hold shift down, select both letters, and then go here, shape builder tool. So make sure that you select this one, all select everything. And then go to shape builder tool. I'm going to zoom in. When you're on shape builder, I'll click here, delete, and hold Alt. If you hold Alt, you delete all the layers on the, okay. And also here it's intertwining up and down. So here again, click Alt, Alt. Okay. Control minus zoom out and H or press hand to move this so you can see. Okay. Go to selection tool and select this part and move, and then press delete. Okay, this is the first part. Now we want that R come to top, R come like it's going O over and then O under. So select R, the other letter, your letter, and right click, arrange, bring to front, and then object, path, offset path, check mark preview, you can see, and then press OK. Now, while you're in selection tool, shortcut is V, hold shift down and select everything here. And then go to shape builder tool, zoom in, H to move, and shape builder tool, and select this part, delete, and hold Alt down, delete here, delete here. Also we have same thing here. Delete this part, hold Alt down, select here and select here. Zoom out. Now go to selection tool, click anywhere, selection tool, and click only on here, not inside, and move that and delete. And now you can select and increase the opacity. Select all and increase the opacity to 100%. So as you can see, O on top, bottom, and after your creation, you can select both, copy, edit, copy, and go and paste it anywhere that you want. This is PNG, you don't have background. Like here, I paste this here. Make sure to paste as pixels. And make sure here you select both. See, I select O and Shift, select both, and then copy and paste. Good luck.